So Robinhood has come up with an exciting new initiative that will give a massive boost to the mainstream adoption of Dogecoin and other cryptos. And this is what I'm going to talk about in this video. But before we move forward, I'd like to remind you that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber at the end of this month. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Good luck! So the big news is that trading app Robinhood has just announced a crypto gifts program for its users. And with this announcement, their users will be able to gift crypto to their friends and family over the holiday season. Users will be able to send as little as $1 in Dogecoin or 6 other cryptos with a personalized digital card starting on December 22. So I think this is an important development for Dogecoin because it will increase its adoption and utility. This is because we already know that crypto users in the US are already very much interested in sending cryptos like Doge to their loved ones. And this fact is supported by a recent survey where we saw that cryptos like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum have become the gift of choice for the people of the United States. So the point is that when users will send Doge or other cryptos to their loved ones who are new to the crypto space, this will encourage them to embrace the crypto space. And this will eventually increase the numbers of crypto holders and overall crypto trading volume. And this is why I'm so excited for Dogecoin, since this new initiative from Robinhood can increase the number of Dogecoin holders. And this will surely give a positive impact to Dogecoin's value in the long term. And it can benefit Doge in another aspect as well. As you all know that I recently made a video where I talked about how Doge holders are not using their tokens and how this is hampering the daily transaction rate of Doge. So the point is that, as I discussed before, Doge needs a high daily transaction rate to increase its utility and adoption, and this will eventually increase its price. And I think this new initiative by Robinhood can be helpful in this regard. This is because when users will send Doge as a gift, its daily transaction rate will increase, and this means that Dogecoin's utility will increase. As a result, it will directly affect its price in a positive way. All in all, this Robinhood initiative is very important for Doge, and once it starts, we will see Doge growing both in terms of value and adoption. Anyway, what are your thoughts on this? Are you going to gift Doge to your loved ones? Let me know in the comment section below. And with that being said, let's come to Bitcoin for a minute. So we are now seeing that whales are accumulating Bitcoin in big numbers amid the recent dip. For example, the third biggest whale has recently added about 257 Bitcoins for a total of $12 million. Surprisingly, he added more Bitcoins just after a week when he purchased about 2,700 Bitcoin tokens. And it appears that this particular whale has been taking advantage of the recent Bitcoin dip. Data from BitInfo charts shows that the whale added a total of 12K Bitcoins in the last 31 days at an estimated value of $570 million. Moreover, the whale is currently holding a total of almost 120,000 Bitcoin tokens, bringing its holdings pretty close to MicroStrategy's public Bitcoin holdings. So this is a bullish indicator for Doge, as whales are very much interested in it and looking for long-term gains. Moreover, as per a whale indicator from on-chain analytics firm Santiment, it is highly likely that Bitcoin will pull off a copy of its late September to early November rally. This is because Bitcoin's number of whale addresses holding between 100 and 1,000 tokens has increased by 193 compared to just 10 weeks ago. And the key thing to note here is that the number of whales in this tier has historically demonstrated some impressive correlations with the price of Bitcoin. And this is a positive indicator for Bitcoin, as these addresses typically increase in value in lockstep with Bitcoin's price. So the point here is that when this happened before in late September, Bitcoin began an upward trend, rising from roughly $40,000 to hit a new all-time high of $69K on November 10. So it is highly likely that Bitcoin is going to repeat history and initiate another major bull run sooner or later. And another good thing happening for Bitcoin is that the Bitcoin realized price is now exhibiting some parabolic shapes in all bull phases. In addition, the moving average convergence divergence of Bitcoin has peaked as the price of Bitcoin has ascended to its local peaks. And the interesting thing is that the current Bitcoin moving average convergence divergence is at the same level as it was in the last month of 2017 and late 2020. And these are the exact phases when Bitcoin started major bull runs. So the point here is that if Bitcoin can repeat those uptrends from here as well, And if it happens, Bitcoin can hit a new all-time high in the coming months. Another big thing is that correlates Dogecoin's price with Bitcoin is that a majority of Bitcoin holders are also holding Doge. And this is a major bullish indicator for Doge that shows how major investors are interested in it and see long-term potential in it. And although such indicators can propel Doge to new highs, I'm still expecting Doge to rise steadily from here because I don't think that there will be a sudden major spike in its price. This is because Doge will take some time to shed its recent losses and will gradually rise from here. And I'm expecting it to rise significantly sometime during early 2022. And now let's come to Shiba Inu for a minute. So we have seen throughout this recent market dip that more and more whales are coming into Shiba Inu and accumulating the tokens as much as they can. But it appears that this trend isn't going to stop anytime now. This is because we are now seeing more whale activity for SHIB. For example, an anonymous whale who already holds about 31 billion Shiba Inu tokens has just bought 2 more Shiba Inu lumps. In total, the whale bought a whopping 37 billion Shiba Inu tokens. And while whales are looking pretty much interested in SHIB, we are now seeing that its popularity has been increasing everywhere. For example, it has been recently revealed that Shiba Inu is now the most popular crypto in Turkey. It has even beaten cryptos like Bitcoin on the list of most popular cryptos. As per the latest data, the trading volume for Bitcoin on Binance Turkey was roughly $900 million in November. And surprisingly, it was less than 1/5 that of Shiba Inu since its trading volume stood at almost $5 billion. And this is not it. According to a recent survey by Saxo Markets, Shiba Inu is now more popular among Australian crypto users than Ripple and Cardano. As per the survey, about 5% of Aussies know about Shiba Inu, while only 3% and 2% of them have heard about Ripple and Cardano, respectively. So the point is that SHIB is now reaching new heights in terms of popularity among crypto traders and whales, and this will eventually push its price up in the long term. And now let's come to Ethereum, as there is an important update about it. So as per a recent report, around 200 Ethereum tokens, or about $800,000 worth of Ethereum tokens, are currently being burned every hour. This means that in a day, nearly 31 million worth of tokens, or about 7,500 tokens, are burned. And this is an important update for ETH holders since we are seeing that the supply of ETH is reducing. And the supply reduction helps Ethereum's inflation rate drop. And this can make it deflationary in nature if the burn rate gets high enough. So if Ethereum continues to increase its burn rate, it will surely become a deflationary asset like Bitcoin. And this will encourage investors to turn to Ethereum, eventually increasing its price and total market cap. And now let's take a quick peek into the overall crypto market. So we are now seeing that the overall market has shed some of the gains it saw yesterday. Currently it stands at $2.19 trillion. Meanwhile, another thing we need to look at is the crypto fear and greed index. It's back under 25 again, and there's extreme fear in the market again. Basically, people are scared because of what happened today, but I think they're missing the big picture. After the Fed's big announcement yesterday, I'm really optimistic about where we're heading from here, so you can look at it as a decent buy the dip opportunity. And now let's come to Dogecoin's price. So Doge is now showing support around the 18 cents price range, and it appears that it is now eyeing to clear the critical resistance level of 21 cents. And I think Doge will be able to turn this resistance into support in the coming trading sessions. But this doesn't mean that Doge will go for a parabolic rally after this move. As I have stated before, I don't expect a massive price rally right away. So Doge holders will have to wait for some months to see the start of a massive bull run for Doge.